So this is the food pyramid that I made. So this food pyramid illustrates the various ways that foods and beverages contribute to achieving optimal health. So first here is we have grain section. So we have bread, cereals, rice, crackers, and pasta. So they are all grains providing energy, controlling blood sugar levels, reducing diabetes risk, maintaining circulatory and digestive health, and offering proteins and dietary fibers. So next one is we have the vegetable group. So we have broccoli, eggplant, and squash. So they are all nutritious vegetables that support blood pressure, cholesterol, cardiovascular health, and weight management. They provide vitamin A, C, and antioxidants, fiber, and support healthy gums and teeth, making them a low-calorie option. So next is we have my fruit selection. So we have orange, cherry, apple. So apple, orange, and cherries are essential for healthy digestion, brain health, weight management, vitamin C formation, and collagen production, also iron absorption and cell defense. So next is we have the milk section. So we have here milk, cheese, and yogurt. So it aids in immune response, energy metabolism, bone strength, while yogurt is protein rich, calcium rich, and contains vitamins, probiotics, and live culture, improving intestinal flora. Cheese is beneficial calcium source for maintaining strong bones, blood clotting, wound healing, and maintaining normal blood pressure. So for the meat and beans, we have chicken, meat, egg, and beans. So they are all essential for our bodies. Meat provides protein, essential nutrients, and brain function. Chicken is rich in iron, zinc, and vitamins, while fish is high in calcium and phosphorus. Eggs are protein rich and antioxidant rich. So we have here the sugar section. So sugar is essential for our brain's function, providing 130 grams of glucose and energy daily. So we also have here the physical activity. It boosts mood, improves brain function, reduces disease risk, and promotes healthy bones and muscles. Now we're heading on to the servings. So for grains, I usually eat maximum 6 ounce every day, but the minimum is 2 ounce. And for vegetable, I eat 6.5 cups. For fruits, I eat 2 cups. Milk, I get maximum 3 to 4 cups, but I usually have 2. And for meat and beans, I only have 1 ounce every day. And for physical activity, I don't usually exercise, but if there's a free time, I usually spend like 30 minutes to 1 hour, or like an hour or two for physical activity. I do basketball, volleyball, and also tennis with my friends. So this is the food pyramid that I made.